Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be taking you through the revision of Kcse 2022 English Paper 2, the grammar section. And here, question A, the candidates were expected to rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given after each. Do not change the meaning. Question 1. The secretary will list my name in the new telephone directory. Rewrite to end secretary. So a quick look at this question. The concept being tested on here is active and passive voice. So the sentence given is in active voice, and we are expected to change it into passive voice. A takeaway: in active voice, the grammatical arrangement is that there is the subject, which is the doer, followed by the verb, the active verb, and then the object. In passive, which we are expected to change the sentence into, now we first have the object coming at the beginning, followed by the passive verb. And the passive verb is normally formed by adding an auxiliary verb to the past participle form of the main verb. Then lastly, the subject. So we will check and determine the object in this case. The subject is the secretary, the verb is will list, then the direct object is my name, and then in the new telephone directory is now the adverb. So we will begin with the object, which is my name. Then the verb, we said the passive verb is formed by adding the auxiliary verb plus the past participle form of the main verb. So my name will be listed where? In the new telephone directory. By the secretary. So the answer, my name will be listed in the new telephone directory by the secretary. Number 2, Leah is a Kenyan student who is 21 years old, and the candidate in this case is expected to end his or her sentence using student. One probable response would be, we would have Leah So the first response reads, Leah, a Kenyan student, is a 21-year-old student. I mean, Leah, a Kenyan, is a 21-year-old student. We could also have Leah, who is a 21-year-old is a Kenyan student. So we have first one, Leah, a Kenyan, is a 21-year-old student. The second one, Leah, who is a 21-year-old, is a Kenyan student. So any of these responses could be appropriate. Roman 3, Julia is more agreeable than Mary, and the candidate is expected to rewrite this sentence using as. So whatever sentence we are going to come up with here should show that Julia is more agreeable. They are agreeable, the extent of them being agreeable, Julia is more than Mary. So we would say that Mary is not as agreeable as Julia. So the sentence, the meaning still remains that Julia is more agreeable than Mary. Mary is not as agreeable as Julia. Lastly, he slept early because there were no lights. And the instruction is that we should begin with there. One response would be, so a probable response that a candidate would give is there were no lights, semicolon, he slept early. Another probable response would be there were no lights, still semicolon, therefore he slept early. So in this case, we can use various connectors in the place of therefore, and the sentence would still mean the same. So probable connectors would be thus. We could have as a result and any other connectors of sequence. So we will still maintain the semicolon in those cases. So viewers, if you are new here, kindly consider hitting onto that subscribe button so that anytime we produce a video like this, YouTube will automatically notify you. Again, to my subscribers, I continue thanking you very much. Again, if you want to join the channel as a member, then you can hit onto that join button and you choose the category that you want to belong to. There is the gold category, there is the silver, and there is the bronze, coming with different packs. Thank you. Until next time.